Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I wanted to show you a stitch, a very easy stitch. I'm gonna use 4.5mm crochet hook. You can use whatever crochet hook that you like for your yarn. This stitch works with even numbers. So I have here 14 chains. We're gonna do a small sample, 14 chains. I'm gonna skip the first chain, and into the second chain from the hook we're gonna do a single crochet. Next chain, single crochet, and this row is gonna be single crochet in each chain until we finish this row. I think this stitch, it's easy for you guys, the beginners, very easy. You can do a vest, you can do a summer scarf, you can do a blanket, you can do so many things with this stitch. And it's a easy stitch for even if you're advanced, just to either have a conversation, watch TV, a relaxed, easy stitch. Okay, last chain, single crochet. So we did one row of single crochet. We're gonna chain one, turn your work, and we're gonna do one more row of single crochet in each stitch. So the first stitch is here, we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet. Move to the next stitch, single crochet, and like I said, this row is gonna be single crochet in each stitch. Well, this stitch has, let's say, 3 rows repeat, in which 2 rows are single crochet and 1 row it's, well, we're gonna see, it's a double crochet. If you like, you can do 3 rows of single crochet, depends how you like. Maybe you like to do only 1 row of single crochet and then you start with a double crochet. So we have 2 more stitches left, and into the last stitch we're gonna do a single crochet. So 2 rows of single crochet. Then we're gonna chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work. You're gonna skip the next stitch, and into the next you're gonna do a double crochet. If you want, you can chain 3 here, or you can chain 4, depends the way you like. So skip the next stitch and into the next double crochet, chain 1, and this is how we're gonna do until we finish this row. Skip the next stitch and into the next double crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch and into the next double crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch and into the next double crochet, and we're gonna do like this until we finish this row. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and into the next double crochet, chain 1, and at the end you'll be left with 2 stitches. We're gonna skip 1 stitch and into the next, which is the last, double crochet. It's gonna look like this. Okay, now we're gonna repeat the 2 rows of single crochet. So we're gonna chain 1, turn your work, and into the first stitch we're gonna do a single crochet. Into this 1 chain space here we're gonna go in there and do a single crochet. The stitch from the double crochet from the previous row, we're gonna do a single crochet. 1 chain space, we're gonna go in there and do a single crochet. The stitch, single crochet, and so on. And with this you're gonna do this row of single crochet and then 1 more row of single crochet in each stitch. I think this one looks, with any yarn size, this stitch looks nice. So here at the end we have the chain, so we're gonna go into this space, we're gonna do a single crochet, and into the top chain here through the chain, single crochet. See? Okay, chain 1, and now we're going to repeat one more row of single crochet. The first stitch is here, we're going to go in there, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, and so on. In each stitch, single crochet. And you're going to do like this. You're going to repeat these 3 rows, 2 rows of single crochet and 1 row of double crochet, well, with 1 chain in between the double crochets. It's a very easy stitch for a blouse, for a baby blanket, for summer, even with a very thin yarn, a scarf for summer or spring. So the last stitch is here, we're going to go in there and do a single crochet, chain 3, turn your work. It's going to look like this. Okay, now, and now it's easy because you know where to go. So you're going to skip the next stitch, you're going to skip this one, and into the next you're going to do a double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and into the next double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and into the next, which is, comes right here. So you will see right away where to insert your hook to do the double crochet. Skip and into the next. You see it's right on top of the other double crochet from the previous rows. Skip 1 stitch and into the next double crochet, chain 1, and at the end here you're going to skip 1 stitch and into the next double crochet. And now you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and now we're going to have to do 2 rows of single crochet. So the first stitch from this last double crochet here, you're going to go through that stitch and do a single crochet. The 1 chain space here, in here we're going to do a single crochet, and so on. The stitch from the double crochet from the previous row, and so on. So like I said, you like to put 2 to maybe 3 rows, 2 rows of single crochet. Maybe you want only 1 row of single crochet, and then you start with a double crochet row. That way, if you do only 1 row of single crochet and then you start the next double crochet, it's gonna be more open work. Yeah, these squares or whatever the space is. So here we have the last double crochet. We're gonna go in there through the stitch, double crochet, then into this space here at the end, single crochet, and on the top chain there you're gonna do a single crochet. You're gonna chain 1, and the first stitch here you're gonna do a single crochet, and then single crochet in each stitch until you finish the row. So it's looking like this. It's a very easy stitch, very simple, but it looks really nice. And I think this one with any yarn size looks really cute. You can do it with thinner, medium, or thicker. It's really nice. Well, I hope you like this stitch. Very easy for a summer blouse, for a baby blanket, for a scarf. So you can give it a try. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.